Hello, my name is Santiago Farah. I have the pleasure of working at Strong by Form in Chile, and we're right now partnering with the Wood Veneer Hub in the US for this Woodflow-skin line of product. This is technically a very thin plywood. It's made of several veneers of natural wood. The floor is 100% done with Pinus radiata, pine tree from Chile, and we have several models and finishings that we work with. The way we do this, we press. That's kind of a secret sauce, so to speak. We press the natural veneers into shape with the press, and we could do several geometries. We have some product catalog like this one, which we call Big Group. We can also custom design depending on the project or the size or the industry it's for. And so the stock is in Phoenix, Arizona. It's in Tulsa, right next to Phoenix. And of course, for custom designs, you can work with the Wood Veneer Hub and their experts to kind of specify and agree upon a design that would be good for whether it be specifying, whether interior design professionals, architects, and so forth.